we made this page and created a deck from it. So it kind of works, but one issue we do have here is that emojis are really small. So how would we go about making them bigger? You could go into Anki and edit your card template, but that's like too much work. So instead what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here in Notion, and we're just gonna create a heading 1. And then we're gonna paste our emoji inside of the heading, and you can see, bam, it just got so much bigger. Let's do that for all of the other emojis too. Heading 1, and there. Now you can see that all our emojis are so much bigger. So let's export this. And you don't really need to close the toggle list. I just like closing them up because it looks nice when it's compact. So this time we're gonna save that file to Notion to Anki here, and we're gonna pick a different name so not to mess up the other deck we already have, which is called Scandinavian countries with emoji. So let's call this Scandinavian countries with big emoji. And let's create both basic and reverse so we don't have to do multiple imports. And then pick our file here, and here's the file, and let's hit the convert button, and bam, it instantly converted. Let's open it up in Anki and take a look at it, and you can see it showed up here. So let's open that on up, and you can see the emoji is so much bigger. So I remember this, of course, and then you can see here's the other version. And that's how you create big emojis with Notion to Anki. Thank you for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe.